Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. Microsoft is hiring software engineering intern. Yes, you had it right. They are providing a full-time on-site, fully on-site internship. It's not online, it's offline. Summer internship. So the internship is the window is actually really small. Only 3-4 days are left. So apply as soon as possible. But first, watch the video. How to apply? What is the application process? Eligibility criteria, and everything I'll tell you in this video. And the resources also, like how you should prepare for this. So that's software engineering intern. The location is Karnataka and Bangalore. It's on site, it's not online. Okay. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for this? Let me just tell you quickly that thing. You are currently pursuing bachelor's or master's degree in computer science engineering or related field. Yes, you should be currently pursuing that thing. Plus, must have at least one semester or term remaining following the completion of the internship. So, final year students cannot apply for this. But yeah, those who are in first year, second year, or third year, they can apply for this internship. So, you can try out, right? Ability to demonstrate an understanding of computer science fundamentals, including data structure and algorithm. So, see, that's really important. They have specified clearly that including DSA. So, for such kind of roles for these companies, especially for Microsoft, Google, and these top tech companies, DSA is really important. So, the generally the you can say that application processes you will be like when you apply after that after 10-15 days you will get a mail if you got selected. First is resume selection. You have to send your resume. Okay, apply for this and there you have to upload your resume also fill plus some extra information. Okay, but that's not a great deal. You can fill that form easily. After resume selection, if you get a mail, then there will be an OA, online assessment. So you will get there 2 to 3 coding questions. And those are DSA questions, medium to hard level. Yes, they are not easy, they are medium to hard level questions. Maybe two medium, one hard, or maybe one medium, one hard, kind of that. 2-3 questions. After that, you have some technical rounds, 1 or 2 technical rounds. There also you will be asked CS core fundamentals. Plus, if you have some great projects, they'll focus more on project. So you can divert their focus to projects if you have some great projects in your resume. So that's a plus point for you because you have done these projects and you know everything. So you can explain everything about these projects. That's a good point that if you have these kind of things, projects, and you can explain these things clearly, so you will get an edge over other candidates who are not having that much great project. Plus, there also in technical round, you will be asked DSA questions. Yes, for sure. Okay. Trees are one of their favorite topic. So they generally ask questions on trees, stacks, arrays also, sometime linked list, reversing kind of thing. Okay, I'll give you few links of previously interview experience of these for these internships, so you can get some help from these, from those you can say experiences. Okay, and then some HR round behavioral question will be asked, like obviously tell me about yourself, kind of that. Why Microsoft? And what kind of problem you have solved in your project, kind of that. Some behavioral question they'll ask. So these 3-4 rounds would be there. But very important is DSA because in both online assessment and technical rounds you will be asked DSA questions. So please prepare DSA. That's why I always say that for these companies, either you are applying for internship or placement, top tech companies, DSA is really important. Okay, so if you are interested to learn like these problem solving skills or DSA, and if you are searching for the some right resources, you can check out my courses. You can go to my website jenny'slectures.com, and the ongoing batches there, DSA with Java batch. You can enroll. Other things are also there. If you want to go for just learn Java, then you can enroll here. Then for generative AI also. Plus, good news is right now New Year offer is going on. So the coupon code is New Year, and you will get extra 30% off on all 3 courses if you apply now. But use this coupon code because it's going to expire soon. Okay, just 1-2 days are left. In on 5th of January, it is going to expire. Plus, extra advantage you will get is if you go for these DSA with Java, this batch or only with Java from scratch, you will get live Q&A session. Yes, every week I conduct a live Q&A session. So if you have any doubt, you can come and you can ask a doubt there in that session. Plus, you have access to a dedicated WhatsApp group also. So you can directly send me a message on WhatsApp if you have any doubt. There is a group we have, you can interact with other peers. So it's like I'm one message away in that case. right? You'll get everything in this DSA with Java. First Java, then DSA from basic to advanced, lead code question, placement questions, quizzes, assignments, plus projects, everything. Okay, so if you are interested, the link you will get in the description box of this video. Go and check out. The coupon code is New Year, but apply it as soon as possible. Use it as soon as possible. Okay. Now for this also, it's like, see, the position will be open for a minimum of 5 days with application accepted on the ongoing basis. So minimum of 5 days, maybe more than 5 days, but once they have like enough application, they are going to close it. So I think you have only 4 days left. So apply as soon as possible. But your resume should be really great, because the first round is resume selection. Based on your resume also, you will be contacted. So the link to apply for this internship also you will get in the description box, and a few other links also from there. You can get some help, previous interview experiences or how to prepare and all. I'll put in description box, you can check out. And if you want me to upload a separate video on how to prepare for this interview for Microsoft software engineering internship, if you want me to upload a separate video on that, just comment down that, yes ma'am, I mean, kind of that, upload one more video on this preparation of this Microsoft software engineering intern. So I'll upload that video. So please comment down that thing also if you want. Now that's it for this video. I hope this will help you. So share it with your friends or in your college group or Facebook group, so that if anyone else is also searching for these kind of internship, they can also get help from this video. So that's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.